every time you start your PC and you see fixing C stage. Windows is running CHKDSK, also called check disk. Here is how to find the real causes and fix it permanently. This usually happens for one of four reasons. If your PC loses power, crashes, or you hold the power button to force it off, Windows may detect possible file corruption and automatically schedule a disk check on the next boot. Interrupted Windows updates, software crashes, or unexpected system errors can damage the NTFS file system. When that happens, Windows runs CHKDSK to repair the corrupted data. Sometimes the problem isn't Windows, it's the drive. To find it, just open Microsoft Store and search for Crystal Disk Info. Just install it. After installing, just open it, click on yes. If your drive reports caution or bad, back up your important files immediately. Software fixes onto repair a physical failing drive. Windows uses sometimes called a dirty bit to check marked drive that needs checking. Sometimes CHKDSK finishes successfully, but the dirty flags never get cleared. As a result, Windows scans the drive on every startup. To check it, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Click on yes and type fsutil space dirty space query space C:, and press enter. If you see volume C is dirty, run this command chkdsk space C:, space /f space /r. Then press Y when asked to schedule the scan. Restart your PC and let CHKDSK finish completely. Don't interrupt it. Once the repair completes successfully, Windows should clear the dirty bit. If the drive is healthy, but Windows continues running CHKDSK on every boot, you can tell Windows to keep checking the C drive. Press Windows R and type regedit and press enter. Click on yes. Go to HK local machine, then system, then current control set, then control. Then scroll and find session manager, double tap on it, and now here is search for boot execute. Double tap on it. If it says auto check space auto chk space start, now here replace the command with auto check space auto chk space /k : capital C space and star. This tells Windows to skip automatic CHKDSK for C drive during startup. Only do this if you have already confirmed drive is healthy, otherwise it could hide a real hardware problem. To reduce the chance of future disk checks, shut down Windows normally, avoid forcing PC off with the power button, turn off fast startup and power option if you frequently experience shutdown issues. If power outages are common, use a UPS to prevent unexpected shutdown. If this fixed your problem, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.